start.
Hello, I'm Princess Sally Acorn. Let us begin with the Renaissance. After discussing about humanities, the Renaissance was a period in European history marking the transition from the Middle Ages to modernity and covering the 15th and 16th centuries. The intellectual basis of the Renaissance was its version of humanism, derived from the concept of Roman humanitas and the rediscovery of classical Greek philosophy, such as that of Protagoras, who said that, "Man is the measure of all things." You might have seen the development of perspective in oil painting and the recycled knowledge of how to make concrete as an example. In terms of politics, the Renaissance contributed to the development of the customs and conventions of diplomacy, and in science to an increased reliance on observation and inductive reasoning. They're best known for its artistic developments and the contributions of such polymaths as Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo, who inspired the term, Renaissance man. In medieval times, the Renaissance began in the 14th century AD in Florence, Italy. Various theories have been proposed to account for its origins and characteristics, such as its political structure, the patronage of its dominant family, the Medici, and the migration of Greek scholars and their texts to Italy following the fall of Constantinople to the Ottoman Turks, which inherited from the Timurid Renaissance. According to the art historian, Erwin Panofsky, observed of this resistance to the concept of Renaissance. It is perhaps no accident that the factuality of the Italian Renaissance has been most vigorously questioned by those who are not obliged to take a professional interest in the aesthetic aspects of civilization, historians of economic and social developments, political and religious situations, and, most particularly, natural science, but only exceptionally by students of literature and hardly ever by historians of art. This has been a detailed overview of about Renaissance. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.